guys, welcome to Heather's Treasures. Today we're working on the corner cabinet. We're going to have little turnstile tables in here. And I forgot to hit record, like a dunce. But anyways, what you're going to need is 1.5 millimeter mat board, some sandpaper, a cutting guide, a cutter of some sort, a 3 millimeter dowel, and either draw these out by hand or use a Cricut or a Silhouette. Now my machine did not cut all the way, so I'm going to have to finish cutting this. I would show you how I draw these up in Silhouette, but I'm horrible at drawing on the computer. It takes me days to get, it took me days just to get this circle, because I have to draw the circle, then draw a square here, and then I have to merge them, and then I have to edit the points, and oh, it's painful. But I'd rather have the Silhouette cut it than use my hands, because my hands just aren't as strong as they used to be. I hate getting old. My concern is that the door is not going to open right here. Okay, so that will go right there in the corner. Now I know things are not level. Okay, so now this will go right here. And now I got to figure out, I think what I'll do is I'll just cut the whole thing and then build over as far as I need to go to the other corner, to the corner cabinet. And then I'll have one full cabinet to go underneath that sink, and then I can add just a little bit more. I think that's what I'll do. So that's the plan for next week, is to cut the cabinet in half, put the other cabinet there, and then build a custom sized cabinet like we did this corner cabinet, and then paint everything. And then we can do our countertops again. All right, guys. Tell me what you think about the corner cabinet. I think it's so adorable, even though the door's too skinny. It's made with love, right? So that's the important part. So thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Dimension wise, all I did was I based it off of this piece of furniture that I had. Well, I had general ideas, but I went with millimeters because it was easier for me to measure. I still messed up because I had to add 4 pieces of mat board to the bottom to get it the right height. So you see, I still make mistakes, but I fix them. I'm good at that. All right. Don't forget to like and share if you enjoyed this video, if you were entertained, if you learned something pretty cool. Subscribe if you haven't, and click the bell to get notified every time a new video is uploaded. And until next time, love you. Bye-bye.